Hello everyone and welcome to today's lesson. Today I'm going to talk to you about the British carnival tradition. This is a bit bizarre and peculiar tradition in Britain. The last day of carnival is known as Fat Tuesday or Mardi Gras. In Britain it is also called Shrove Tuesday. To shrive means confess all sins. Shrove Tuesday is the day before Ash Wednesday. This tradition is connected to the Catholic religion. Ash Wednesday is the first day of Lent. Lent is a period of 40 days before Easter to remember Jesus in the desert. Catholics believe that praying and fasting can change your life. So Shrove Tuesday, as the last day of Carnival, is the last chance for partying. In the United Kingdom, people celebrate with National Pancake Day. What is a pancake? A pancake is a mixture of eggs, flour, milk and sugar. They're cooked in a frying pan and served with different toppings. It could be jam or fruit, honey or chocolate. And here are some examples of pancakes. Chocolate with honey and bananas, with strawberry and blueberries. Here and here are small pancakes. Are you hungry yet? There is also another special tradition in Britain on Shrove Tuesday. It's pancake race. What are the rules of this race? All over Britain, contestants run holding a frying pan with a pancake inside. While they run, they toss the pancake, which means they throw the pancake up in the air, and the pancake must not drop on the ground. There are celebrity tossers, professional tossers, and apprentice tossers. Did you recognize the celebrities? The origin of the race dates back to 1445 in Olney, a country village near London. The legend narrates of a housewife who was busy cooking pancakes on Shrove Tuesday. When she heard the church bell announcing the service, she ran to the church wearing a scarf on her head, as it was the tradition back in the day, but still wearing her apron and with a frying pan in her hand. So today and every year, the town of Olney celebrates this historic event. Every year in Olney, in fact, women between 18 and 80 of age, wearing a scarf and an apron, as you see them already, carry a frying pan with a pancake, and run the famous pancake race. They run from Marketplace to the Church of St. Peter and St. Paul for a total of 380 meters. Here they ran in the past, and here they run today. They toss the pancakes for 3 times during the race. At the beginning of the race, in the middle, and at the end of the race. And what they have to do try not to drop the pancake. The winner traditionally receives the kiss of peace from the verger of the church, a prize, and she also gets the front seat during the shriving service in church just after the race. Nowadays, the race is also an occasion for charity. Money and food are collected for a good cause, whether for the poor, or for African children, or for any other scientific research. There is also a special race for children who just run 20 meters. So don't get lazy. So, enjoy your Fat Tuesday with a delicious pancake, British style.